is implied by skewed to the left? Skewed to the left scores distribution. Tumpak na choice po natin dito would be letter B. The students are remarkable. Remarkable, okay? So again, skewed to the left. Your A and C, parehas lamang po yan, no? Academically challenged. So that means medyo bobits, no? And of course, this one, quick-witted, bobits din po. When you say skewed to the left, that means your students are brilliant. Your students are smart. Your students are remarkable. Ang ating pong tinutukoy kasi is yung tail. So ito po yung tail, okay? Yung buntot, which means hindi po siya yung karamihan ng score. Hindi po siya yung umbok ng score. Yung skewedness po ay yung mga outliers mo na iilan. Here, when you say negatively skewed or skewed to the left, kukonti yung mga nakakuha ng mababang grades. And most of them got very good scores. No? So positively skewed naman or skewed to the right, this is your skewed to the right, yung tail, the tapered end, no, is to the right, which means kukonti yung mga nakakuha ng matataas na scores at mas marami yung mabababa yung score. Kapag ka negatively skewed or skewed to the left, your students are smart. Kapag ka positively skewed or skewed to the right, your students got low scores